Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and the only person who's more excited about these dog toys than me is my dog, Honey. This set of dog toys from Nocciola has a sea creature theme with lots of different textures. Some of them have a knotted rope for aggressive chewers. They all have crinkle bits and a squeaker inside. So my dog seems very interested in all the different sounds and textures that these toys have. She is giving me a hard time even talking about them in this video because she wants to always be chewing on them and playing them and with them and running around the house with them. In fact, she asks to go outside. One of them she brought outside to play with, and she has been leaving it outside, and she actually asks me or brings me over to the door so she can go back and play with it. She likes it when I throw them for her. They're good for throwing too. They have enough weight, but she just enjoys playing with these toys by themselves. So anything that keeps her active and engaged is something I want her to have. She's a 9-year-old dog, so playtime is not as often as it used to be for her. But when she does play, she's an aggressive chewer and she gives her toys a rough time. And these have been working out really well for her. They've been keeping her interest. Whenever we come home, she immediately goes to those toys and wants us to play with her. So they have been an absolute joy for me and for my dog. We're both extremely happy with them. And that is my point of view.